Welcome to the world of trading. This beginner's guide will introduce you to the basics of trading, helping you take your first steps into the financial markets. First, understand the different types of markets: stocks, bonds, forex, and cryptocurrencies. Each has its own characteristics and risks. Next, learn about market analysis. Fundamental analysis involves evaluating a company's financial health, while technical analysis focuses on price patterns and market trends. Setting up a trading account is your next step. Choose a reputable broker, understand their fee structure, and start with a demo account to practice without risk. Risk management is crucial. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and use tools like stop-loss orders to protect your investments. Finally, continuous learning is key. Stay updated with market news and consider joining trading communities for insights and support. Remember, trading involves risk, but with knowledge and careful strategy, it can be a rewarding journey. Start small, stay informed, and happy trading!